Hi students, this is Amitabh sir showing the presentation of PowerPoint. As you have seen that already opened the PowerPoint and I have created 4 slides which already the content has been written. This is my first slide, it's written celebrations, the life. I've given the full form life of then the moment of life I have to insert some pictures and definitely the last slide for this one. So the first portion, whatever I have to do, I make it more colorful. So for this reason, you can go to the design option and you can get it default some themes over there. You can select it or you can give it by yourself by clicking on here option that background styles. Now in this background styles, you are getting this color. So which color you want to select, you can. Apart from that, if you go for more specific color, then you have to go to the format backgrounds. Now here, these format backgrounds, you are getting solid, gradient, picture, texture, pattern, or like that, so that you can select it. Suppose if you go for the gradient fill, then there are some preset colors. You can select it for your own purpose. Suppose I have selected this one. Now, if you click on apply to all, the same thing will be applied to all the slides. But if you want that one slide consists of only this color, then just click on close. So what's happened? The first slide I have given one specific color. Now click on the second slide. Now go to the 1 second background style. Click on the format background and then definitely gradient fill. You're getting the option. Suppose I have to click on this one, just close it. So you're finding out this is also coming, this is also another. Now this is coming. Now before, you can also go for background style, then format background, then gradient fill. You can select it, like go for this one. So now click on close. Now come to the last slide. Once again the same procedure. Now click on format background, then gradient fill, then you have to go for the preset colors. Now you can select it, this one. Now click on the close. So you are getting the 4 different sides having 4 different colors. Now here I have to come to the third slide, where is the moment of life. Here you can get it, click to add text. So I want to insert some of the media clip, so you can click on this insert media clip and waiting for the options. It is coming over here. So actually here is some videos if you want. Actually there are some videos already here, which might be some the dance, some of your performance. So that is why let's say suppose I have given this one, this Tagore's, it's your school performance based on the 25th over there, inserting media. It is just taking some time. If you go for the cancel of this one, then definitely you can click on cancel. Otherwise you have to wait for the time being, because the media might be a little bit bigger. So PowerPoint cannot insert a selected file, verify the path. Okay, so let's see, I have to go for the some other options like insert picture from file. So here are the pictures I can go for. Suppose there are so many pictures, we have to go for suppose the different colors flowers. So click on this one. So I'm inserting the pictures here. So you're finding out this is now here. I can insert the clip art also. So clip art will be the wizard is coming on the right side. So click on here, people of Bengal. So here we are finding out enjoying Durga Puja. So here actually the last time I was created, that is why here. Then celebrations. Okay, go for Christmas. So here we are getting the Santa Claus is coming over, Merry Christmas. So you can click on here, or rather you can click on here. You can finding out this is also appearing. So this is the way we can insert the picture. This is the way we can insert a clip art from the online, and definitely we can insert a video also. Now the thing is this, we are coming to the options. Now if you click on F5 function key, you're finding out this is my first slide. Then click on here second slide, then the third slide, then this is coming the third slide, and then this is coming the fourth slide. Now ending of your show. So all of you know that how can you go for the automatic slideshow. So for this reason we have to go to the slideshow option, then we have to use slideshow setup. So you have to click on here, then we have to click on the option loop continuously until escape, then click on OK. Now we have to come to the once again the option transition. Now the appearance of the slide. So suppose I have selected random bars for the first one. For the second one I can go for shapes. For the third one I can go for honeycomb, and the fourth one I have to go for shade, right? So it is the way we have to go on. So now we can go for the automatic on mouse click option on the right side. You have to off. After automatically you can select the slide timing for this one. So you can go for so please wait on here. Actually I have to give the time. So yeah, now I can give the time for 3 seconds. So apply to all. So that is why now you have to start with the automatic slideshow. The duration of one slide to another slide transition is just 3 seconds. So automatically it is coming. Now if you want to stop, you have to press this one. Now this is the way we can go for the complete presentation. Now the ultimate is coming the animation segment. So for this animation I have to go to the animation part. Now as far as animation is concerned, you can finding out all are coming over here. Now here it's better to go for that you have to click on the option. Until or unless click on the option, you cannot finding out the different option over there. And definitely let me close it. Yes, now you can go for the different animations are already available. Suppose if you go for grow and trunk, so it is coming here. Now come to the second slide, the live. Now here you can go for suppose bold and flash. Now you can go for this option, so wave, right? So the thing is this all are coming together. Next we are coming to the third option, floating. Now click on this picture. You can go for zoom. Now click on this wipe. Now coming to the last slide, once again click on the option, and definitely you can select swivel. So it is a way we can go for. Now your all the presentation along with the animation is ready. Now if you press the F5 function key, it is coming. See, it's automatically coming to you. So as far as automatic slideshow along with the animation, it will be continue for you. So I hope now you can able to do by yourself and ultimately enjoy the entire presentation. So this is the way. Make sure you have to create a presentation, and as I says, limitless implementation of fun and enjoy. That's you have to do. Thank you to all of you.